Manchester Arndale Market is a must-visit destination for anyone who loves to shop. This bustling market is located in the heart of Manchester city centre and offers a wide range of products and services to suit all tastes and budgets. From fresh produce to handmade crafts, Manchester Arndale Market has something for everyone. One of the things that makes Manchester Arndale Market so special is the variety of stalls and shops available. Whether you're looking for fresh fruit and vegetables, artisan bread, or unique gifts, you'll find it here. Many of the stalls are run by local businesses, giving the market a truly authentic feel. One of the highlights of Manchester Arndale Market is the food hall. Here, you'll find a range of vendors offering everything from gourmet burgers to Thai street food. It's the perfect place to grab a quick bite to eat or to sit down and enjoy a leisurely meal with friends and family. If you're looking for something a bit more unusual, then Manchester Arndale Market has plenty to offer. There are stalls selling vintage clothing, handmade jewelry, and even vinyl records. You never know what you might find as you wander through the market, and that's part of the fun. Another great thing about Manchester Arndale Market is the atmosphere. It's a lively and bustling place, with traders calling out their wares and customers chatting and haggling over prices. The market has a real sense of community, and it's easy to spend hours browsing the stalls and soaking up the atmosphere. For those who love to cook, Manchester Arndale Market is a real treasure trove. You'll find a wide range of fresh produce, including locally sourced meat and fish, as well as exotic fruits and vegetables from around the world. There are also specialist stores selling herbs and spices, as well as artisan cheeses and charcuterie. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a complete beginner, there's plenty to inspire you here. Of course, no visit to Manchester Arndale Market would be complete without sampling some of the local delicacies. Manchester is famous for its pies, and you'll find plenty of them on offer here. Whether you prefer a classic steak and kidney pie or something a bit more unusual, such as a goat's cheese and spinach pie, you won't be disappointed. Manchester Arndale Market is a shopper's paradise. With its wide range of stalls and shops, lively atmosphere, and fantastic food, it's a must-visit destination for anyone who loves to shop. Whether you're looking for fresh produce, handmade crafts, or delicious food, you're sure to find it here. So why not pay a visit to Manchester Arndale Market and see for yourself what all the fuss is about?